We started playing together 4 years ago, probably 5 years ago. You know, it's all just about, I guess, finding people you really click with, you know, that sort of speak your language. That takes time, you know, it takes time to find those people. It's really special. For me, it's a really special thing that we're doing, you know. I love the sound that we make together. Probably the most enjoyable studio experience I've ever had, really. And partially that has to do with the fact that we did it at my house, and so it was really comfortable, you know. It was my own place. But I think it was also just the right time, you know. We'd been touring a lot, and we had wanted to make a record as a band when I was doing Gossip in the Grain, you know. But for some reason we couldn't get it together. So we'd been wanting to do it for a while. So I think we were all excited to try it and see what would happen. I think we kind of got lucky. It just worked. It worked really well.
All the friends that you knew in school, well, they used to be so cool. Now they just bore you.
No one had heard anything until we sat down to play. You know, I would just play them something, and usually, right around halfway through, they'd be already reaching for instruments or going towards things, trying to figure out what they wanted to do. And that was it. Then we would just go for it, you know. So it was a very fast process. I think we had two tracks a day, you know, finished tracks a day. So it was just felt fun, really. It was just fun. There are songs that stand out because they sort of wrote themselves, you know, like Empty, All the Wild Horses, Burn, Gossip in the Grain. No, they just happen. They just happen really quickly, and that doesn't happen often. So those are the ones I kind of remember. But I guess on the new record, Rock and Roll and Radio is probably the one I'm the most proud of.
Always strangers.
You just sort of forget yourself, and you just become part of the sort of music. You just become part of that landscape, and you forget about all of this stuff, you know. And that's a nice place to be.